Håfa day, this is Darrin, the e-reporting admin, and I'll be doing a tutorial on how to add the Catchit Logit application to your iPhone's home screen. The first thing you need to do is open up the Safari browser. Secondly, you need to type in www.catchitlogit.org into the URL and press enter. Once you get to the Fisher portal, you will be given an option to choose an island territory. From there, you will choose Guam. After selecting Guam, you will press on the share icon, which is at the bottom of the home screen. It's a square icon with an arrow pointing upward. At this moment, you will be presented with various options, but you will want to press a square icon with a plus symbol. It says Add to Home Screen. After pressing on it, it will bring you to a quick access page that will ask for authorization to add it. Once you press Add on the top right of the screen, you have successfully added the Catchit Logit app. Now, you are ready to learn how to report your catch.